Hello, my name is Casper and I work as an Android developer for Storytel. Today I would like to talk about product flavors. So if you want a way of having different build types of the app that you have or your library, you can use something called product flavors. And you would want that if you have for instance in my case I have like a library that I have written that is used by two different apps with two different minimum SDK level, and you can create product flavors by going into your Gradle file and then define the names of your flavors. Here I have one called Ink Reader and then one called Android. And as you can see, I have a flavor dimension called app, and you can think of it like a category or something, and each product flavor must then be assigned to a dimension. So Ink Reader and Android both belongs to app. And when you do that, you can then specify different settings for each flavor. Here you can see I have specified the minimum SDK, but also you can go down to dependencies and then specify different dependencies for each flavor. So here you can see that the Ink Reader is using a different version of the OK-HTTP library here. It uses 3.12.0, and then the Android implementation here uses a much later version of OK-HTTP. And also here I can specify which version my test should be using, which version of OK-HTTP the test should be using here. And then this is inside my library that I've written. So inside the apps that I'm using, I can then go and then specify missing dimension strategy here, and then select the category and then the variant here. So in this case it's app Ink Reader, and in the other app I can then write app and then Android. And by doing this, I can then select the different variant inside the library that I have. Yeah, so this was just a very short example of how you can use product flavors.